Hi everyone, this video is all about patent anticipation and obviousness. As a general rule, patent applications of ideas or inventions are only approved when the invention is considered to be novel and non-obvious. It must serve to solve a current problem. In other words, non-obviousness means a definite innovation or improvement upon previous ideas. Anticipation occurs when the invention is completely novel or unheard of prior to the patent's approval. Now let's discuss these in terms of the sleeve patents from the last video. Patent number 1, insulating sleeve. I found this patented product to be very obvious rather than non-obvious. This is because ideas regarding similar inventions have existed in the minds of many in the past. Like others in the list, the sleeve particularly works by an outer wall with a measured spacing away from the walls of the container of the drink. Prior art includes that described in author Bryan's Heart Disorders. Patent number 2, a thermal coffee cup. This was one of the earliest written forms of an improvement of drinking from cups. Since it was first published and released in the 1940s, it is clear that the patented idea was definitely non-obvious with respect to its time. Prior art includes Mechanism of Thermal Shock Failure in Enamelware and Oven Test Method from Journal of American Ceramic Society. This was one of the earliest written forms of an improvement to drinking from cups. Since it was first published and released in the 1940s, it is clear that the patented idea was definitely non-obvious with respect to its time. Prior art includes Mechanism of Thermal Shock Failure in Enamelware and Oven Tested Method, as I mentioned earlier. Patent number 3, the thermal sleeve. Although its underlying concept and focus may be similar to other patents, this patented sleeve accomplishes its goal in a very unique, specified manner. Thus, it is very non-obvious as it does not function in the same manner as prior ideas. With new technology, specifications, and characteristics, I would identify this product as non-obvious. Prior art includes Non-Obviousness by John H. Barton. Patent number 4, insulator sleeve for a beverage container. This uniquely transparent sleeve has been formed with a Frusto conical outer layer. Because the sleeve is thus a new technology and unsimilar to any prior art, it can be seen as non-obvious as well. Patent number 5, the temperature indicating sleeve and its related container. This is a novel technology with a great design that has never before existed. Patent numbers 6 through 9 are simply improvements of previous technologies and ideas. Even so, these sleeve mechanisms have played an important role in our society, and the inventors have done a splendid job in advancing our current everyday technologies. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for another video on obviousness.